just what you'd expect inside her new Balenciaga. Viral mess turned dreams into an empire. Self-made success, now she rolls with Rockefellers. Survival of the richest, the city's ours until the fall. They're Monaco and Hamptons bound, but we don't feel like outsiders at all.